Hello, everybody. Brian here again. December 3rd, 17:10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. This article is an interesting one. It's going to be more long game if you're interested in it. IOTA launches assembly multi-chain smart contract platform. If you look at the performance, it's not been that great. Been fairly flat for this coin. But this is the news. It's teaming up with this assembly scalable multi-chain network for sharded and composite smart contracts, which is needed between the major coins out there. So, here's all the technical mumbo jumbo. This can be found in this article here. Again, I think this is an aggregator, cryptonewmedia.press. Oh, the article. IOTA launches assembly, a multi-chain smart contract platform. So, all about this congestion, high fees found on Ethereum. IOTA it's all about the long game for IOTA. Zero fee, that's the big one. Human machine payment network used by billions of people. So it's free. So we'll leave it at that, and hopefully you like what you see here, and if you do, just don't forget to join our newsletter, quantlabs.net/contact, get some free Trade Like a Boss PDFs, and join our website, or our newsletter, quantlabs.net/contact. Thanks for watching.